and we're off. We're headed out, my buddy Birdy and I, and it's Friday now. We're gonna be out for the weekend. It's gonna be awesome. Now I wanna try to show you my cook system and Birdy's cook system so that you can kind of see some of the different ones. So Esbit systems and jet boils, and we have like 3 different cook systems with us for some reason, but we'll show you those. All right, so we're gonna try to make a little bit of food here. What I got here is a jet boil, and it's pretty standard. I mean, when you're on the trail, if you ever do a real long distance through hike, this is a pretty standard deal that everybody's got these jet boils. The reason that everybody has them is because it goes so fast. You know, that's why they call it a jet boil, probably. It boils like a jet. But this is the jet boil. Whenever you open it up, you've got the this part, which is where the fire comes out of. You got this, which is the stand. The stand opens up just like that. And then you have the fuel. And then you've got the cup. This is a big cup, if you can judge. And then it's got a cup under here as well. And this has like a measuring device on it. The side of it says 1 cup. And it has little lines. So I'll show you how this is put up. And then you take this part and you flip open this. Turn it over and you just screw it on. Now if you turn this, here it start coming out, and then this side has a trigger on it. Jet boil, boom. Then you grab the container, put that right on there. And you're cooking. That's that. Now we're gonna check out Birdy's cook system here. He's got the Tokes cup. What is that, a 500 liter or a 500 milliliter or something?
It's like
650?
50, I think.
And this is a stove here. On this side of the stove, you can put alcohol into here and light it, and then on top of these, you put your pot. But we're doing Esbit, so you just flip this thing over and you can put the Esbit tablet right there. This is a windscreen that he's using, and this is that Tokes 650 milliliter cup. These things are excellent. I have one. I love it. So in this Tokes cup, if you can see right there, it says those lines that give you measurements. Birdy has filled up his cup of water. He's lighting his Esbit stove. That is a tablet. It's called an Esbit tablet. I think they're out of Germany. We're struggling trying to get them these days. But this is how this works. That Toke sits right on there. This is an ultralight system, and he puts a windscreen around there, and that traps in the heat. And that Esbit is burning in there. And it takes a lot longer than a jet boil, but it is much lighter than a jet boil. And nothing can go wrong with an Esbit tablet. They always light and burn. Okay, but this is the cook system that I usually use all the time when I did the through hike of the CT. I use this. I made this. It's like a cozy or a koozie or whatever. It's insulation for my food. This is the lid. So what I have is also the Toaks cup as well. And this cup's got the milliliters on the outside. I took off the handle and everything to it. This is my windscreen. This is like a strange metal thing. But this is my cup. I love these cups. So great. And then in here, I have Esbit tablets. This is an Esbit tablet for cooking. That's the fuel that you use. And then this is my stove. And it just flips right open. This is extremely ultralight stove. Can't get any lighter than this without just having a campfire, really. So this is my flat rock that I found. This is my little teeny itty bitty baby little stove, which is awesome. And then I put a windscreen around this stove. Just like so. So that's what it looks like in there. Then I take this Esbit tablet. Esbit. Put it right into the stove. And then I light that on fire. Put my Toaks cup right on top. And that's my system right there. Wonderful. So the reason that I took the handle off of my Toaks cup is for this reason. Okay, my Toaks is on fire and I got my windscreen and it's burning. So I pull this off, got hot water in there, and then I use this. It's just a little grabber I can put right there and it's not hot at all. Take it right off and then I can drink out of it. I can put it right back on and it's just fine. And this part of the lid that I'm holding never really gets very hot. In addition to that, I also have this. If I ever want to drink out of this cup, I can put this on there. And this is what they call hot lips. So you just put that right on your cup. And then when you're drinking it, it doesn't burn your lips at all. Now, I keep my food in Ziploc freezer bags. Freezer Ziploc bags. You know, you open them, you put them into the koozie. And then I just dump the water right into this bag. And I eat right out of it after it cooks. Put the bag into the koozie. Put the top onto the koozie. This is my spoon. This would be a Sea to Summit spoon. And I like it. It's long handled so it can get you to eat better, I guess.